Guys, so this week I went to the Dollar Tree and I am surrounded by some of my favorite crafting finds. I want to show you some brand new products they've just released, some super simple DIY ideas that anybody can do, how to be a craft pro on a dime. I promise you don't need any skill. Let's jump into it.
See, that's what he does.
Go step on the DIY.
That's what happens.
Macaroni and cheese. Oh my goodness. There were some brand new products that totally blew me away, namely these beautiful, beautiful organizing containers. They are so chic and really high quality for just $1. They also brought back the mesh baskets, which I was so excited to see again. You can put a Dollar Tree label on these and put them right on your wall. They look like the high-end baskets that you would find at Hobby Lobby for just $1. I also love keeping my onions and potatoes in them too. They also have these brand new galvanized containers with this really beautiful handle. This would look stunning with some flowers inside, and I love that you could even hang it up on the wall if you wanted to. They also brought back their flocked florals. This one is brand new to me. It's so beautiful with the purple and it really elevates all of your crafts. Oh, and this is a brand new product I haven't seen before. This could be combined in a really beautiful way as a DIY. I love that. And the fairy lights are back. I really, really like the copper ones. I've ended up buying lots of their roses, especially these cream color ones, because when you put them all together, they look really high quality. And also this wisteria, which you could add to any flower arrangement to elevate the look. One of my favorite new places of Dollar Tree is the Crafter's Corner. This is a new section of the store that they're rolling out, and they have an entire line of crafting supplies that are wood. I love the wood planks. They come in squares and rectangles, and they also have wooden ornaments that are nice and thick and look so, so beautiful on any arrangement. I absolutely love their sponges. This makes it so easy to apply any wood stains. Oh no, it's raining!
Hurry!
Hurry, hurry! Copper! Help us!
Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a little deeper. Kiss a little harder. I wanna love.
This would easily be like 20, 30 bucks at Hobby Lobby. I'm making it for $4. So pretty, you guys. Look at the wood grain. I love this one. Their paintbrushes are fantastic. They have some new metal ones they just got. And they even have these little crafting pads, scoring pads, and the little crafting knives, which I have found to be all awesome. And if you couldn't tell, I am so excited about the nautical rope. It is so soft and high quality. And I'm all about the fast DIYs that actually save you money. And one of my favorites is to turn this into a rope platter. This is really easy to do with Dollar Tree hot glue or fabric glue. And if you put it together in an oval shape, you can add handles at the end, and this makes such a beautiful display. Crafter's Corner are the canvases, and these are my 3 favorites. I really like these ones because they have wood on the inside that you can use for DIY projects. Ton to come on this. I've shown one in a recent video, and they also have these larger ones which are great for kids prints, or you can put them together for a larger DIY, which you guys will see soon, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. If you don't have a lot of time and you don't feel very crafty, one of my secrets when shopping in Dollar Tree is to buy items in groups of 3 that I can combine together. There you are. Hello. I love these galvanized frames, and I thought it would be really cute to have pictures of the kids in them. I can glue some ribbon on the back and put it on the wall. It was just a couple of dollars. It looks really nice, and it didn't take a lot of time. It's been so long since I browsed the Dollar Tree, and I felt like going in. They had so many brand new products that I'd never seen before. Some that were inspired by Ray Dunn, others that would be really perfect for a wedding. It's already got the chalk on it if you want to write on it. Super cool. What? And some really cool surprise products that I wasn't anticipating on finding, like these marquee letters for $1. Also in love with the fabric. One of my favorite things that the Dollar Tree carries are these beautiful lemon plates, and I love that they have lemon fabric now. If you could sew, this would be super easy to create individual napkins out of. I also fell in love with the buffalo check print one and this really cute bee fabric. I'm so excited to figure out what I want to do with it. You guys know that I love the wood and natural look, and I am loving their new canvas bags. This one was my absolute favorite, and I think this would also be really great as a gift sack. If you enjoyed this video, leave it a big thumbs up and a comment down below. I'm so thankful for you guys, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye. You're sitting on all the DIYs.
This is what moms have to do. Take care of a dog. Take care of a kid. Take care of me. And the dad. I'm gonna see why. Phone. Do the phone.
I'm gonna write on this, ready?
Do the
Potatoes.